Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Undefined Threadz TV, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jahchey, and I hope you guys like it here. Make sure you subscribe and join the fam. So today I decided to do something a bit different. I want to get back fit, get my body back to what it used to be. I haven't gained weight, but my stomach's gotten a little bigger, it's a bit pudgier, so I just want to get rid of it. And I was like, why not share my journey with my subscribers? This way you guys can work out with me and we can all just have better and fit lives. So this is for us. So I'm going to be doing all at home workout, hopefully they're easy. I've used this application before, but I stopped because it's what I do. I stopped doing stuff I can't commit to working out, but I know that if I bring you guys along, we can all do this together, because I know that working out is something that's pretty hard to stay committed to. I know it is for me. So we're gonna do this together and we're gonna get our lives snatched, okay? Like summer body. Oh, we don't just want a summer body, we want a forever body. So we're going to be forever snatched, okay? Forever snatched. Okay, so we're going to use the app Jahchey Tt. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So what's nice about it is you can choose what you want to do. Strength, cardio, yoga, stretching. It gives you challenges for the month. Get started. Beginner series, advanced, for older people. Like, it gives you everything, which is nice. It gives you so many different options. But what I want to do, so I'm gonna go to my Jahchey Tt. Is that where I go? No. You go to custom, and then you can create your custom workout, and I can actually share my workouts with you guys, so that way we're all on the same page. So you don't even just have to use the video. So I will actually put the link to the workouts that I'm doing, so that way you guys can do it, or you guys can make your custom workout. Okay, so I have 3 that I feel like essential to my lifestyle. So I want to do what I called the Tiana Taylor and Drea, and that consists of 30 exercises, and this is mainly for my strength, cardio, a little bit of yoga, and some stretching. I really want to work on my abs and my glutes. Like I said, I'm not overweight or anything like that. I'm just trying to turn everything together, get everything nice and tight, and just right, like just better for me. So that's what I will be doing. So that's one workout. And then I have the rump roaster, which has 15 exercises, and then absolutely awesome, which is all about abs, and that one has 12. So I have 30, 15, and 12. So I'm either gonna alternate between them every week, or I'll do every other day and do a different workout every other day. And I think that's the one I'll do, like every other day, and switch the workouts. That'll be easier. But if my body's sore, I might not be able to commit. But I'm gonna try to commit. We're all gonna try to commit to this, and we're just gonna have a good old time. That's what we're gonna do. So today we're gonna do the Tiana and Drea exercises, 30 exercises. So then we hit select workout, and then you choose the time frame. So I don't like working out for too long. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna say let's do a half an hour to start out with. I could probably do an hour, but I don't feel like it. So I feel like a half an hour is too long, but that's what we're gonna do. So it's a half an hour that we have, and this app is gonna tell us how and what to do, everything. So it's gonna be super easy. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some tunes playing. Well, not really. You guys not gonna be able to hear the music that I'm listening to, because YouTube is cray. But we're just gonna get this show on the road. We're gonna get snatched. Get it, YouTube. Let's work it.
Shoulder shrug. Plank pose. Hip raise. Chest expander. Arm circles. Take a 30-second break. Step touch. Inchworms. Windmill. Overhead arm crack. Take a 30-second break. Witch kick. Scissor kick. Mountain climbers. Mason twist. Leg lift. Take a 30-second break. High knees. One. Rear lunges. Inchworms. Reverse V lunges.
A beat on the beat.
Forward lunges. Inches and hold. Fast feet. Take a 30-second break. 1. Reverse plank. Take a 30-second break. Reverse plank. Reverse V lunges. Take a 30-second break. Exercise. High knees. Fast feet. Leg lifts. Next exercise. Alternating push-up plank. Take a 30-second break. Scissor kicks. Scissor kicks. Take a 30-second break. Reverse plank. Inch planks. Supine bicycle. Rear lunges. Leg lifts. Take a 30-second break. Congrats, you finished.
Okay guys, so that was 30 minutes. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So as you can see, like I'm unfit. Like I stopped so many times. But I tried to keep going. I did the whole half an hour. And I am tired. So at the end of it, it shows you 30 minutes and I burned 157 calories. 157. I don't even know if that's a lot, but one thing I do know is your girl is tired. But nevertheless, I'm going to keep up on it, so I won't see you tomorrow, but I'll see you